Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling location services and motion and orientation so the compass reads direction and tilt accurately. Once done, open the compass app and allow permission prompts. Make sure True North is set if you prefer geographic bearings. Hold the iPhone flat and level, away from metal objects or chargers, because interference skews the sensor. Then rotate slowly until the app finishes calibrating. You'll see the degree readout and cardinal points appear. That gets you ready for an accurate heading. Now read the numeric bearing. The degree value and the cardinal label tell you exact direction. To follow a course, tap heading lock and align the orange heading marker with the direction you want. This keeps the bearing steady while you walk. If you need context, tap the map icon to overlay your current location and bearing on Apple Maps, which shows terrain and streets. Use the degree reading for precise navigation, and remember to recheck the display after turns or stops to stay on course. To finish, follow the bearing while periodically reorienting the map so you remain aligned with the route. Drop a pin in Maps to save your waypoint or share coordinates if you need to return. When closing out, check GPS accuracy by watching the blue dot stabilize. If it jumps, pause and let it settle. If the compass seems wrong, recalibrate with a slow figure-8 motion, remove any magnetic case, or toggle location services and restart. That single troubleshooting step fixes most errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.